Now that we have a void space for the ramp, there's the ramp void and a void space for the stair. It's on the other side. This is the stair that I'm going to draw, but I'm going to delete it so that I can reconstruct it for you. Okay, so the ramp is going to go in this slot here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it up 18 inches, flatten it, and then continue up the rest of the way. The way that I'm going to draw these is to draw the side profile of both the ramp and the stair, and then I'm going to use the press pull to make it stretch all the way across that void space. So I'll start off with, let's see here, this is currently set as locked, the base, which is fine. I'm going to use the sketch tool and I'm going to draw a line from this point here, 18 feet in, and then I'm going to draw a line that is 18 inches, so the double tick mark, up, and I'll connect them back. Okay, now I'm not going to need this line here, so I'm going to delete it, and I'm not going to need this line down here, so I'm going to delete that as well. Okay, a little hard to grab it. Okay, and we'll do the same thing from up here. I'm going to draw a line along this axis here. It'll be 18 feet. And then I'm going to make sure that I see the blue axis, so I know it's vertical. Draw an 18-inch line, and then I'll connect it back. Similar to the lower slope, I'm going to delete these lines that I don't need. Okay. Now it's just a matter of kind of connecting the lines. So I'm going to go back to the sketch tool. I'm going to draw a line. Let's draw this one here to here. I'm going to draw another line from here to here, and then I'll connect up. So I should have a surface now. And I'll know that if I go to the press pull tool and hover over that space. So you can see they're a little small, but they're little blue dots there that indicate a surface was found. And then I'm just going to stretch it across. Okay, I'll rotate around here just to make sure it fills properly. That's all there is to it. Of course, if you have a more complicated ramp, it has turns and things like that, it might take a little bit longer to draw. I'm going to now make a group of that, and it wouldn't hurt to also lock it. Okay. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to go back to the entity tool, and I'm going to put it on the base, and now I'll lock it. Okay, now I'm going to spin around to the other side. And I'll repeat the process for the stair. Okay, now for the stair, what I'll do is I'll draw the profile. I'll start from this top point. I'm really simplifying the design of the stair, in particular with the dimensions. The risers are going to be 6 inches and the treads will be 12 inches. If you are designing a stair for a typical condition, you may find that the risers are some kind of fraction, like let's say 6 3/4 of an inch or something like that. But for simplicity's sake, we'll keep this and easier to work with numbers. I'm going to start here. Again, my riser is going to be 6 inches. And again, it's really important that you're using those axes lines. So I see the green line now, and I've made that one 12. This one is 6. I'm going 12 here. And each time checking to make sure that I'm on axis. 6, 12. Just keep going until we get all the way down to ground level. Now I don't need this top one. I can grab it. There it is. Delete it. Because I'm going to use this surface here will form that top riser. But I'm going to now come along and close up that shape. You can see a surface was generated. Again, I'll use the press pull tool, click here, and stretch it across. Okay. As I had done with the other one, with the ramp, make a window here. And I'm going to make a group. I'm going to re-tag, or I haven't tagged it yet. I'm going to tag it to the base. And I could also right click and lock it so it doesn't move around. Okay. So those are the two vertical circulation elements, the ramp and the stair. And the next thing will be to create some themes and download those images.